Smoky exhaust, engine feeling sluggish, or a whining noise coming from your engine are signs that it may be time to replace the turbocharger in your John Deere 6404T diesel engine. Restore the power in your 6404T with the new Garrett turbocharger from Highway and Heavy Parts. Making sure your turbo is running smoothly and effectively can help make your 6404T last longer, so it should be high on your list of priorities. There's no better way to regain the power, performance, and horsepower of your 6404T than with the new Garrett turbocharger available from HHP. Your turbocharger helps increase the power of your engine without the need to increase its size. Installing this Garrett turbocharger takes wasted energy and turns it into something you care about: power for your engine. Don't risk the health of your 6404T. Buy a high-quality Garrett turbocharger from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Backed by a 1-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts. Connect with HHP for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.